A lot of people do message me about how they can, you know, try to get a capital. Maybe they want to start a business or they want to do something, how they can raise money, how they can raise the capital. So then I've been doing some research up and down to see what you can do, what someone can do with zero capital, without having any capital. All you need to do is just either your phone system, a computer, then internet, right? So once you have that, you are good to go. Then the bank account to receive any that you make. So we have been doing this, doing some research about this, and finally we got this. Okay, we got this, and as you can see on this platform, you can see this young guy just said he's made 5,000 naira from this platform that we're going to work on today, right? So I want you to watch this video from the beginning to the end so that you see how you can quickly raise capital from this platform in Nigeria here. Hey guys, your friend Ademi Oluwaseun is here. So as I said earlier, you can see that someone made some money on this platform, and not only that, but there is no time to be showing what people are saying about the platform, how they are making money. And as you can see, the name of the platform is nairaworker.com, right? nairaworker.com is the platform, and this platform is just a place like Eco Worker, Rapid Worker, where people bring tasks and you just do simple tasks to make money for yourself. All right. So I'm gonna walk you through the step by step. Before we do that, if you are new to this channel, please, I want you to smash on that subscription button and click on the notification bell as well, so that whenever I drop a valuable content like this, you'll be getting notification from YouTube that you just drop another video on this channel. All right. So what you need to do once you land on this platform, nairaworkers.com, if you want to register, you can just go straight to the description below. The first link that you're going to see there is going to be the link that will lead you to Naira Workers platform. So once you're on land there, then you're going to see register. Okay, so you just click on register. Once you click on register, then you fill in your name, you fill in the last name. Maybe your name is Oluwaseun Adeyemi. All right, then you fill in your username, the username that you want to be using. All right, as for me, let me just say SEO Radar. Let me just say SEO Radar. Then your gender, you put there. Then your email address. You're gonna put your email address there. Then referral is optional, right? Okay, it's optional, but if you use my link below, it will be there. At least when you are making money, they can give me something as well. Then you put in your password, as well. All right, so after you have done that, they send you a mail, a secret activation mail, that you should go to that mail to click on it to activate your account. Once you have done that, then you are good to go. Then so this is the platform. As you can see, this is the platform. You can come to the wallet right here. Come to the wallet right here and add your, maybe you want to fund. That is, if you want to fund, you want to also withdraw. If you want to, you have some funds there to withdraw. If you want to bring tasks here, that's when you are funding. But if you want to just make money and not funding anything, you are starting with zero. But those that they were bringing jobs to this place, they are paying you guys. All right, so they have to deposit. But if you want to work, you want to work and earn, you don't need to do anything like deposit. So then if you see your earning right here, the tax earning right here, then you also withdraw your money, as you can see it right here. So then how they're going to start earning right here is just to come to available job. As you can see, clicking on available jobs. So on clicking once you click on the available jobs, it's in two parts. You will see most recent, you will see highest paying, right? And as you can see, the jobs that people are doing right here is actually simple for them to make money. Very, very simple stuff for them to make money. So as you can see, SMC, Forex tutorial, WhatsApp. Let's say view job. Let's view the job and see. So you have to click on view job to see what is expected from workers. Trading Forum 2021. The Light Academy. I think I don't really understand this. So let's just go to another place. Let's move to another task. All right, so this is branch app. So branch app, they're gonna pay 56 naira, and let me just click on view. Okay, so what you need to do right here is just to download the app, okay, on your phone. Then the second step, please ensure activate and verify your account in order to get paid. Ensure to follow the procedure by doing that. After verifying your account, you immediately enter this code. After you enter the code, you get bonus. You can withdraw it immediately. All right, so you can even make money from this platform that they are talking about. Then after you have done that, the required proof, you have to send the required proof. You see a form like this. After you have done the work perfectly, you have to submit the proof of the username used in register. You have to put that one here. Then the screenshot of your wallet, you can upload it right here. So once you do that, then the person will check. I mean, the person that have the job, owns the job, will check. After the person check, then it's going to credit you. Then you see your credit on any site like this. Okay. Then you can see another one right here. It says YouTube subscribe and watch. So you click on that, you're going to see what you're expected to do right here. You can see, click the link below. That is this link, YouTube link. Require proof that task was finished. Watch videos for 3 minutes or more, and subscribe and turn on notification bell icon. So for this, you can just create a separate email. You can actually create a separate YouTube account for this. Maybe you have a particular one that you're using for something, so you can just create a demo that you'll be using for the task like this. And don't unsubscribe, very important. You know, it's not all the video. Like for example, now maybe this video is on another something that you're not even interested on it, but you just want to make money. So you can just create a demo. Okay, just once you create a demo, so you won't have any issue that, oh, I don't like this thing, because as you can see that the guy said you should not unsubscribe. I will improve instantly. So God bless and support. So once you do that, then you give him the proof. Then you submit the proof right here. Okay, so then you earn 56 naira. Then so that is how all these things you can see, share live platform, brighter data, everything like that. Then come here, you're going to see highest paying. So on highest paying, it means you can earn more than what you are seeing right here. So you can see that it's loading. Okay, so now the first thing that I'm going to see here is PalmPay app. So PalmPay app is paying 120 naira for completing this job. So let's see what the job is all about. Said help me claim my PalmCal cash reward and get 200 cash reward to follow my link. So you have to register as a new member. Then you must ensure you complete at least one of the authentication in your, that is to verify the account in your dashboard. After you have done that, so you have to show them your full name, screenshot the stuff, you showing your full name, everything that you actually did what he wants you to do. So once it has been completed, you can see you're going to make 120 naira. So as you can see that on this platform, if you really want to raise capital and you are not lazy, you can actually make between 2,000 to 3,000 naira on this platform every day. Yes, you can actually, because they have a lot of job right here. Okay, they have a lot of job right here, so you can see. So if you are new to this channel is all about showing people different opportunity, either paid or free. Okay, so to earn money to their pocket, all right, and also raise money for maybe their business or anything that they want to do. So it will be a free or paid one. So if you are new, please click on the subscription button and notification bell, so that whenever we drop a valuable content like this, you will get a notification from YouTube. So this is how it actually works. And if you want to maybe have something to promote, all you need to do is just to fund. Once you fund, then you're gonna click on post a job right here and post the job. right there. So let's see, maybe I can see one more job I can quickly do. It's because I'm on, I'm on PC. So that's why, because I can actually really do this very well on phone. Like this RHINEX mining, you can go for it. So let me see what is gonna happen if I click on. Okay, Twitter favorite and retweet. You can see Twitter favorite and retweet. So you can see that. Okay, I can easily quickly do that. So on this platform, I can see this one right now. After registration, you can choose the coin you want to mine. So you can mine. Actually, I'm doing this before, so I cannot do this again. And you can see that it's because the guy actually needed a referral. That's why he's promoting himself, right? So you can actually promote business on this platform. You can also make money, all right, on this platform, guys. So thank you very much. I remain yours, Adeyemi. Good watching.